Now you've got a good idea of how to use some of the key tools in AutoCAD, and you've got a bit of an idea of the UI. Please see the previous videos. It's time to learn how to snap precisely. Snapping is super important because it allows you to draw very correctly, and it also allows you to make sure that everything is lined up and can be joined later. However, it can also throw you off. Sometimes you don't notice that the cursor has snapped to a point, which is why it's super, super important to be aware of this from the beginning. If I launch a command, you'll see that I get these little green dots, a square, a triangle, a circle, with a bit of extra information like endpoint. That's what we call a snap. It's not always obvious that it's being snapped to, so you really need to pay attention. Now you can change snap settings globally, move to the status bar, and toggle them on and off. You'll know that it's switched on because there'll be a little tick. Here's an example of my favorite snap, the quadrant snap. You can also temporarily turn snapping on during a command. This only works for a single portion of the command, so just be aware of it. You can hold Shift and right-click, and then select the command that you want. For this example, I'm using the tangent snap. You'll notice that when I got to the next step of the line command, it was gone again. So we're going to turn on the tangent snap, snap to that point, and once again it's switched off. You'll also notice that it overrides all the other snaps, so it doesn't snap to an endpoint or a center point, only the snap that you've selected. This can be extremely useful. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications, it really helps me out. It also lets you know when the next lessons are becoming available. Additional resources are available, including PDFs, DWG files, reference documentation, and exclusive videos. Please see the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.